What's up, guys? Welcome back to the build. So we're all finished with the bondo glass. So we're moving on to body filler now. So I'll be coating all four corners of the car with body filler, and it'll be the same process, just fill, sand, until we get the result that we're happy with. So we're gonna get started on that right now.
Now that we have the bondo body filler on all of the car, we're going to go ahead and sand this down the best we can.
What we're gonna do is mark out the gaps where the kit needs to get cut. So between fender and bumper and door and quarter panel. And then we're gonna cut it. Then we can go ahead, take the bumper off, open the hood, and properly sand around the corners and try and get it to like its final stage of sanding the bondo. We've sanded the marking lines kind of away because we weren't too happy with where they lined up. So I'm going to go ahead and try and redo the lines and see how I feel about that, and if it's good then we'll cut them. We've got all the gaps marked out. So on the rear of the car there's 3 cuts that have to be made. There's one separating the quarter panel from the bumper, and then there's the door gap, and then the door to the side skirt. So I've got them all marked out and I'm happy with where they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and make those cuts, and then I'll do the exact same process on the other side. So that's the deepest I can cut with the Dremel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish a couple of the cuts like in the corner where the Dremel can't reach, and just finish it with a knife. And that should be it for the cuts. And then we can go ahead and sand like the door gap and stuff and get that to the size that we want, and to make sure that the door does open. It's all cut, the door opens. I just need to sand both sides of the cut to get that even gap that I want. So we've got the bumper marked out. It's going to be a little bit of a sketchy cut because it's so close to the headlight and I can't take the headlight out until the bumper's off. So I'm going to go as far as I can with the Dremel, like feeling comfortable, and then I'll just keep scoring it with my knife until it actually separates. I got the gaps cut between the fenders and the front bumper. So as you can see, the bumper's off. We're gonna go ahead and take the headlights out now so that we can properly sand around the headlight here. And then we'll sand where I made the cut just to round over the edges and get that perfect gap.
Here's a better look. Got those all cut.
I can't read this color.
I did such a good job.